If you're looking for a screen that is not too small but also not too big, in today's video we're gonna test this band through 7-inch screen that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see how good it is in today's video. Coming up next. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the brand, True. The model is Pilot 1. This is a screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and with a reverse camera. Okay, so this is the screen. It's amazing. I'm gonna put the size over there on the top. Look at the connections are on the back. It has a speaker too on the back. It comes with the manual, extra double-sided tapes for the screen and the rear camera, a mat to place it on the dashboard, the power cable with the USB-C connection in the cigarette lighter connection, the extension for the rear camera, reverse camera with the red cable, and the audio cables. This is optional. This double-sided tape for the camera is gonna be here on the bottom, and this is the rear camera with the connection. So this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay guys, we're ready. Everything is super easy. Just stick it to the dashboard and that's it, and connect the wires. Let me show you the connections like this. So this one, the AV in, is for the rear reverse camera, and the power is power in, is the USB-C connection. Okay, has an extra USB-A connection and auxiliary out for the audio. Okay, but that one we're not gonna use it right now. Okay, so those are the connections. Okay, we're ready to test it. So first we have to turn on the car. I already turned it on, and then the next thing is to plug the cigarette lighter connection. Now let's see. So first, let's start with the settings. It's for the language, so English, the date. Okay, so next. All right. Wow, and also we can see the rear camera. It's amazing. All right. So it is amazing. The time is wrong, but that I'm gonna fix it later. So this is the main screen, and these are shortcuts. Okay, and always you can click here the home button to come back to the main menu. Okay, let's start with this one. It's for the audio, for the music. So you have three options. You can insert a memory card, SD card, with the USB connection, or with via Bluetooth. Via Bluetooth you can connect your phone with the cable or the micro SD. There's a slot, let me see if I can show you, here on the top to put a micro SD card in there. Okay, so that's for the micro SD card. So we can go back here or go to the home. So that's for the music. And now this is the rear camera. It's amazing. This one, we only see the rear. You can have it on like this all the time, or just have it like this on the home button. And these are the shortcuts for the apps: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, or Miracast or something like that. Cast. And these are all the apps that this one has. For the CarPlay, we have to connect it. We will do it in a little bit, but it has CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Miracast, video, music, FM transmission, and Bluetooth. But let's see the video. Same thing. You can use a memory card or the cable. For the music, same thing. Memory card, cable, or Bluetooth via your phone or your stereo. Okay, and you can connect through FM, the audio from the speaker, and you can connect it to your stereo head unit, and put the station that you want to hear, and you can hear it on your speakers. Okay, and the Bluetooth, you can hear the audio via the Bluetooth of your cell phone. Okay, so let's connect the CarPlay. Let's see how easy it is to connect this. Okay, for the CarPlay, let's go to CarPlay here, and we have to open your iPhone, enter and Bluetooth, and find this P1 band through here to the Bluetooth. So it's over here, P1 band through. Select that one. It says pair, allow, use CarPlay. All right. So now it's connected. Look at that. Amazing. This one is a little bit smaller, the screen, but I think this is perfect for a smaller car like mine. Look at that. It's great. The size, amazing. So you can see, oh, it's fast. It has a delay like all of them, but it's still fast. Look at that. So everything, the app, same as all Apple CarPlay, same functions, maps, music. You can make phone calls, answer your text message. Okay, so everything is great. You can see it right there. Okay, now let's see the settings for this screen. So the settings are here. This is the button for the settings. We go there. Language, it's in English. Okay, leave it there. Go back. Wi-Fi. We can turn on the Wi-Fi, but this one, I'm not gonna use it right now. Okay, Bluetooth. I already have my phone here with the Bluetooth. In-car Bluetooth. Okay, that's for the CarPlay. The auxiliary out. This one, if you want to use the cable on the back, the connection, you can turn it on and off in here. This is for the date and time. Okay, so that's good. The brightness. Let's put it a little bit more bright just for now, because okay, that's good. The reverse mode, it's on. The lines. Okay, so here you can adjust the lines. So you can do it like this. Yeah. Or I can lower the camera. Let me lower the camera a little bit, because this is for the reverse. I already moved it, so it's better. Perfect. So now we can adjust this like this. Look at that. The lines, that's perfect for me. Good. And then we can go back. So that's the settings for the reverse camera. Factory settings, you can reset it here, but no, I don't want to do that right now. Product information, the software, the model is the P1 system, and the website for the brand of this screen. And that's everything for the settings. Look at that. And that's how it will turn on every time you hit the reverse. So as you can see, it's just the rear view camera with the lines of for the reverse camera. So you can see it better like this. Yeah, like that. Okay, so this is a band through Pilot 1 screen. The screen is amazing, especially the size. It's not too big and also not too small. And also it has a reverse camera and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So it's amazing. I recommend it. The link for this screen is gonna be on the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think on the comments. Any question, put in the comments too. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the videos. If you like the video, please like the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one. God bless you. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Okay guys, so it's time for the giveaway. We're gonna give away this camera. I'm gonna put it over here, and the rules are very simple. For those that doesn't know the rules, you have to be subscribed to this channel. You have to like this video. You have to put a comment in this video. Okay, so on the next video we're gonna announce the winner for the camera, and this is only for the USA. Okay, so it's super simple, super easy. Thank you guys for watching the videos, putting comments, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next video.